brand new day. What are you going to do in today that is going to elevate you into expressing more of who you are, more of your truth, more of your inner guidance? What are you going to do? How are you going to live? How are you going to be? Let the optimism and joy run freely within. Let the sun rise within you as well as outside of you. These two books have been incredible the last month I've had them. The 4 Agreements and Opening the Doors Within by Ellen Caddy. This is like 365 daily meditations, and you just open up to a page and I feel the truth that it is in my body. That to me, I know is truth when I feel it in my core. And the 4 Agreements is incredible. I'm only about not even halfway through and I've learnt so much. It's awesome. So if you're wanting to get a book or if you're wanting to start reading something, I really recommend the 4 Agreements. And if you're wanting some more inspiration from the meditative side and opening up the doors of your own strength within yourself, then this is a must. Look what he has delivered. Papaya, orange, coconut water, and this pear and apple juice we got from the market. It's absolutely banging. The sun is shining. She is glowing. We're about to go for a hike and I'm so excited. Let's go. On a hike. Absolutely glorious. Getting up with some views now.
I'm going up here because I don't know what's up here, so I'll check it out.
Gorilla?
Oh, I ripped my pants.
No, you did not.
I think I did.
Doesn't stop him. It's a wild berry.
Got some.
We die, we go together.
You can say raspberry.
Yeah.
Gold band snapper.
Gold band snapper, avocado, pumpkin, cucumber.
Goes cheese.
Does cheese for him. Another absolutely cracking day. Thank you, life. So much to be grateful for, like the sun that's about to rise to give us light throughout the whole day. That is what this pool of light is going to do. And it's also going to increase my melatonin so then I can have a great sleep. I felt cool to share with you something I've written in my journal, so I'm just going to do that. It's inspired by Ram Dass and also has my own twist to it too, so yeah. The real work is in the privacy of my own heart, which is your heart. Quietening the mind in order to do so, yet hearing what it is communicating to see if it is actually true. Hearing the silence to understand what is filtering unconsciously and consciously. What is love or fear? What is light or heavy? What feels light or heavy? What can I do with some more space to process and integrate. This awareness is beautiful. It is all beautiful. The curiosity to search and also to surrender brings about an energy of freedom. Life is so weird, truly. Like, what the fuck? We can overcomplicate it, or we can chill out, release the seriousness, and simply be and enjoy, play, move our bodies, connect with others, laugh, try new things, rest under the sun or the moon, watch the clouds, fascinate over the randomest things, learn about life, speak to a stranger, quote unquote, to then become friends right in that moment, to see people always equal to me, no pedestals, for I will be disappointed, as they are me, with a different purpose and current frequency of energy. The more I play, the more alive I feel, the more connected I am to all that is, the less I anticipate anything or other than the present. The unknown of life is what makes it fun, not the planned trips. It's the spontaneous decisions that lead to the best creations. It's the bridging the gap between the idea and the action, which spark more growth and less mind attention, creating more insight, belief, and inner knowing/feeling. Just wanted to share that journal entry. Maybe you found something. Maybe you didn't. I actually write so much in my journal. Sometimes it's just scribbling and getting out what is up in here just on paper so I can gain more awareness and clarity. Sometimes I draw and get down what is in my heart. Yeah. Create a beautiful day. Make it intentional. Know that you are here for a reason. And if you're wanting to discover that reason, if you're wanting to discover more of your purpose so that your fullest expression can be felt, then reach out, because I feel the more that we do this journey and this mission together, the more that we'll be able to express our fullest heart expression and be able to collaborate our knowledge and ideas and our perceptions and our love on a whole nother scale that's bigger than us. So much love. Mwah. Whoever is living in these units are absolutely blessed. Look at these flowers. Oh my God, just absolutely beautiful. Oh, delightful. Who needs to skate with their legs when you can just pick up someone on the side of the road and just ask them to help you? Come on! You got this, Dad! This is your cardio. This is the book I was talking about, everyone. It's called Opening the Doors Within by Ellen Caddy. Chad is going to read us the date today.
August 27th. Great day. Give thanks for everything. Keep your heart wide open and let your feelings of gratitude pour forth in an unending stream. There is so much to be grateful for. Gratitude keeps your eyes open to me and to my wonders. Therefore you miss nothing and you see me in all that is taking place. You know there is a pattern and a plan running through your life. Therefore nothing is by chance. Every contact is right, every action guided. You must have complete faith to be able to live in this way. Faith that your life is being guided and directed by me. It means you first have to surrender your all to me, to use as I will. You must learn that only when you give all do you receive all. You can only do it when you have learnt to love me with all your heart, mind, soul and strength. For without love, you cannot take these steps, you cannot live this life. So open your heart and love.
Beautiful.
She's seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business.
Okay.
Her daddy was not.
Ooh! Market time. Look at this rocket fuel. This is the rocket fuel we've been having on our hikes. And this week we're going. Yeah, I reckon carrot, ginger, and apple juice. Nothing added. $9. This place is incredible. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes. Legend.
Hey.
Hey. Oh my god, this is great.
Let's grab these two.
Sure, $4 down.
These strawberries, oh guys, incredible. The smell of them is just insane. Oh, so excited to tuck into these babies. How good.
How good's good food?
So good. Look at these guys. Look at the juice on that shit. Sunset soil. She is gonna be beautiful. Very beautiful. So good. So good. Yeah.